Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And this is the 14th question from this newly released digital SAT. Sample questions. 14 reads, according to Naomi Nakayama of the University of Edinburgh, the reason seeds from a dying dandelion appear to float in the air while falling is that their porous plumes enhance drag, allowing the seeds to stay airborne long enough for the wind to disperse them throughout the surrounding area. Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? So as soon as you see, notice answer choice B and C. One has a colon, one has a semicolon. Whether you're using the colon or the semicolon, you need an independent clause before it. So let's test out and see if we've got an independent clause before. Now there is another use for the semicolons that's only been tested once on the May 2022 SAT. Out of all the SATs that have been released, and I'm talking about 27 of them. And the semicolon could also act like a strong comma, which is a different story, but you've got one in the middle of the sentence. It's used to separate two independent clauses. So anyway, we're going to read up to and including falling and see if it could be its own sentence. According to Naomi Nakayama of the University of Edinburgh, the reason seeds from dying dandelion appear to float in the air while falling, could that be its own sentence? No, it cannot. Answer choices B and C are gone. Now the reason the correct answer is correct is a little bit more abstract, and you got to kind of play it by ear, is do you pause? A comma is used for a pause. So I'm just going to read it through one more time, maybe twice more, once with a pause, once without. According to Naomi Nakayama of the University of Edinburgh, the reason seeds from dying dandelion appear to float in the air while falling is that their porous plumes enhance drag, blah, 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 blah. Sounds okay without the pause. Let's pause it. According to Naomi Nakayama of the University of Edinburgh, the reason seeds from dying dandelion appear to float in the air while falling is that their porous plumes enhance drag. And again, a little more abstract, but you do not pause there. Answer choice D is going to be your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who doesn't know how to use colons or semicolons or has a bad ear for when do you pause. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.